How to add a border to video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added this video to my timeline and I want to add a border to it. Go to Effects panel and click on Toolbox. Then search for Border. Drag and drop Colored Border to your video. Select the video and in the inspector, go to Effects tab. Click on Color and change it to your desired color. You also have the option to change the width of the border, add corner radius or soften the edges. Now let's disable this effect and use another method. Move the video to the above track. Go to the Effects panel, click on Generators and make sure to clear the search box. Drag and drop solid color to the bottom track and adjust its duration. Then select the solid color and in the inspector, under Generator tab, change its color to your desired border color. Now select the video and decrease the zoom a little bit. And now we added a colored border to the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.